How to fix Steam not opening on your Windows 11. Hello everyone and let's get started. If you are facing issues with Steam not opening on your Windows, on today's video we'll got you covered. This is a quick tutorial whereby we'll guide you through some of the ways to solve this. To get started with, close your Steam application and try to restart it again. First of all, you can open the task manager. For that, right-click on the taskbar and then type in or tap in on the task manager. Once you open it, search for all the instances of the Steam, right-click on it and restart or end the task. If you do so and try to access the Steam again, it should probably get fixed. However, if it does not, let's move on to the next solution. Now press in Windows plus R and tap in Local App Data. Make sure to put %local app data % and it will open a new folder. Now you have to search for the Steam folder, right click on it and delete it. After this, move on to the next solution. For this, you have to press in the same keys again, which is Windows plus R. And this time you have to type in Steam ;/+ DNS and then tap on OK. This way, your Steam account should open again and you're good to go. And that is up for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.